Hey guys, we're back today to show you how to do a 2-strand Dutch pull-through braid. So this method is a little different than I've done before. What we're going to do first is start with a series of ponytails going down the back of the head, and then we'll create the braid from that. I like to start with 6 ponytails, but you can do as little as 3, you can do as many as 12. It's just up to you, but on Quinn, I tend to do usually about 6. So with that, let's get started. Before beginning this braid, section off the hair into several ponytails. I like to do 6 ponytails, but you can do a few more or less if you prefer. Once the ponytails are done, you are ready to start the pull-through braid. To do this, take the first ponytail and split it into 2 equal parts. Take these sections around the second ponytail and lift the second ponytail up out of the way. And then combine the first ponytail with the third ponytail using an elastic. Next, release the second ponytail and split it into 2 sections. Bring each section around the third ponytail and then lift the third ponytail up out of the way. Combine the second ponytail to the fourth ponytail with an elastic. Continue repeating with the remaining ponytails. When you get to this point, you will finish the remainder of the braid with only a top and a bottom ponytail. To do this, place an elastic approximately 3 inches down on the top ponytail. Then reach 2 fingers through the middle, grab the bottom ponytail, and pull it through. Repeat, placing an elastic approximately 3 inches down on the top ponytail, then reach 2 fingers through the middle, grab the bottom ponytail, and pull it through. At this point, pause to pull or pancake the braid bigger. Then return to completing the braid. Once you are done with the braid, pull or pancake out the lower section. And that's it, you're all done. We really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up below. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on what we're doing next. Thanks so much!